Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making natural pigeon tonic. Today we are using garlic, ginger, turmeric, apple cider vinegar, lemon, thyme, rosemary, oregano and cinnamon. First we're going to chop up the ingredients. We've peeled 1 bulb of garlic. Now we're going to lightly smash it. We have smashed it so it releases all the good stuff. We're cutting the ginger into slices with the skin on. And now I'm cutting the turmeric. We're cutting the lemon into 4 pieces. We're adding our whole ingredients. We put all of our whole ingredients with 1.5 litres of water and to boil for around half an hour. It's important to use raw and unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. Now our mixture's cooled down, we are going to mix a solution of apple cider vinegar and unheated natural honey into our solution. The reason why we didn't do it while the solution was hot is because we don't want to kill the mother inside the apple cider vinegar and we don't want to kill the good stuff off the honey. We put in 3 big spoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 of honey. We put the honey and vinegar mix into the tonic and now we're giving it a good stir. This is our finished product, our homemade natural pigeon tonic that will dilute into the drinking water. The ingredients are lemon, turmeric, garlic, ginger, cinnamon, rosemary, thyme, oregano, honey and apple cider vinegar. This tonic can help with digestion, immune system, general health, energy, inflammation, and the respiratory system. They also have antioxidants and antifungal and antibacterial properties. Thank you for watching the Boiler Pigeon Bros. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe.